So now, since we have replaced the text and the images, so now we are ready to launch our website. So to do that, we can go back to the initial page. Click on that, open as a page. This is the main section right here, which is called the site. So now I'm going over to site, which is apps.notion.lol, and you will remember that we set up the site, which is we have linked the Notion page to the actual website template. So the only thing that is left to do is to click on this refresh button, and we are good to go in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, our website will be updated and it will be launched. So now let's go back into our Notion template and right into URL. I'm going to click on this URL to copy it, and I'm going to click on a new tab and just paste it into place. Okay, so there we go. Our entire website, which we just replaced, well, we replaced the text, we replaced the images, which is really cool, and it's really fun and fast if you are a busy person. So yeah, so now we can see, we can compare our website to the previous website. You can see that there is like too many lines, so we can easily replace that as well. But first we will take a look at the entire website. So there's a little bit of extra text right here, which we can cut down easily. And now you can see how really well this goes. Even this is like a little bit too much of information, which you can cut down easily as well. Okay, this looks really nice. And as we scroll down, we have our um, review and the name and the location, and also our footer, which looks really nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at where we need to cut down the text. So let's scroll back towards the top, and it is the second um, section, which is the features section. Okay, let's open this as a page. Feature one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to remove the second portion of the description. Okay, let's hit that. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. So let's go ahead and do that same thing for feature two. So features is done. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else can be cut down. Okay, this is about 2 to 3 lines, which is right about after portfolio, which is in process. Okay, let's open that as a page. Step one. Okay, yeah. Okay, since we have view move, we can obviously attach the external link to it. So I'm going to remove that from here. And similar to step two, I'm going to keep only the first line. And step three, um, yeah, step three. Okay, I'm going to leave it with the first line over here. Okay, that looks nice. So let's go back to pages and the actual website which we just launched. This is really cool. Okay, yeah, the review section, let's go ahead and trim that a little bit. Um, okay, so I'm going to remove that line. Okay, okay. So I'm going to leave it at that because it's the entire review. So yeah. So now I think we are quite done. So let's go ahead, scroll back towards the top, I'm going to click on site so that we can refresh this, and I'm going to wait for about 20 seconds before I reload. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and reload the site. Okay, let's see if it has updated. Okay, we can see some changes over here, which is good. And yes, it looks much better. Okay, it does look a lot better with the reduced content, which is really, really nice. Okay, so this is how you make your very own static landing page, and obviously you can add an external link to the CTAs as well, which is really, really nice. And I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.